Hi, my name is Shannon Blancett. Currently teach high school at social studies at Anoka High School. I teach civics for freshmen, and I teach America through multimedia, an elective for juniors and seniors. In my sixth year there, in my 14th year overall, 10 years in, or sorry, 11 years in Minnesota and 3 in Southern California. Um, when looking at some legal considerations for today's schools, one of the things that I think kind of sticks in my brain a little bit is with as much internet access as we give kids and expect them to do with research and just online work, what have we actually taught them ahead of time about internet safety and other things related to that? Um, are we making sure that they're safe when they are online? Not as big of a deal maybe with high school students, but I know with middle school and possibly even younger, my own children in elementary spend quite a bit on time online for some of the homework stuff that they do. So that's one of the things that I think we need to consider looking into. An experience of my own directly or indirectly kind of skirting on or around some legal issues with the elective class that I teach. We wrote a textbook for the class 3 years ago, and it was published through the University of Minnesota, and our district ended their affiliation with the University of Minnesota. Still, I have found some access to the textbook, even though we don't legally have access to it. I have found online access to it through some back doors. Um, not exactly sure if it's completely legal, but since I'm one of the actual authors of the published textbook, I feel like I do have a legal leg to stand on. I don't know, maybe you guys could have some answers or advice for me. I don't know. I'm going to continue using it, whether it's a kind of borderline unethical or not. It's still a book I wrote, so I feel like I should have a potential shot at that. So I hope everything is well and look forward to talking with the rest of you guys during class this week. Thanks.